Okay, here's a trick you can actually perform with 2 pieces of yarn. I am here with my lovely wife, Leah, and she's going to help me with this trick. I have 2 pieces. If you could grab onto this one, Leah, that would be great. And I'm going to grab onto this one, but watch, with a little bit of magic, we're going to make the 2 become 1, just like that. Now, I'm going to show you how this trick is done. This is a trick you can do with just a regular, ordinary piece of yarn. You want what's called 4-ply yarn. That means there's actually 4 smaller pieces of string that kind of go around each other, making it out to be 1 piece of string. So here's what you do. You grab a piece of yarn, you cut it about so long, and you basically kind of fold it in half. And right about here in the middle, what you're going to do is you're going to split the yarn, and since it's 4 strands, you want to split it so that there's 2 and 2. As you split it right in the middle, kind of like so, just like that. And then what you want to do is let go. It's going to create a fake end. Let go of the other end, it'll create a fake end. And so you'll have these like 2 fake ends kind of sitting up here, and then you're going to have your 2 real ends kind of like right down here. But in your performance, you don't ever want to refer to these as your fake ends.
Oh, yeah, good idea.
Yeah, don't ever. Nor should you refer to these as your real ends, actually.
Yeah.
Generally a bad idea. So anyway, so this is what you do. When you're ready to perform the trick, you come out holding it like this. If you hold it right where it's split, it will really appear as though it is 2 pieces of string. Of course, all along, it's always been 1 piece of string. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to hand one of these real ends to someone, your helper, and then you're going to grab onto the other end. And then what you're going to do, you don't want to let go, but what you're going to do is you're going to work your hand around these fake ends, and you're going to kind of cover them with your hand. Now I'm going to show you what happens underneath my hand. This is what happens. I'm going to take my hand away, but there's the fake ends, but check this out, watch. And normally my hand's covering this, but as I lean in, what I do is I pull back, and what ends up happening is those fake ends, they end up straightening out underneath my hand. Then I can take my hand away and show that the 2 have magically become 1. And that is the 2-to-1 yarn.